horrible, horrible, horrible weather at the moment. It seems to have constantly rained for about a month, which means I'm really struggling for getting out and filming. So today's video is a sort of a patchwork quilt of previous footage shot when the weather was a bit better, indoor work, and a few snatched moments of outdoor filming in between showers. I think when the weather's like this is the time of year where we do turn our attentions to customizing our bikes, seeing how we can improve them during the darker winter months ready for next season, because for a lot of us there's not much else you can do. As usual, MOTONE Customs have been hard at work designing and creating unique high quality bolt-on bits for the water-cooled and air-cooled Bonneville twins. In fact, recently I've got to admit, I'm struggling to keep up with them. You may remember a few weeks ago I showed you a few prototype parts that were in development, more notably some brass parts for the air-cooled twins. MOTONE announced to me last week that they've finally completed the current lineup of these parts, the most recent part being a pair of engineering grade brass spun side panel fasteners, intended to complement the choke knob, stroke fast idle adjuster and the brass spun seat fasteners. Looking back over the years, MOTONE Customs I think were just about the first custom parts manufacturer to identify that there was a demand for the vintage appeal of brass parts. The last 2 years has seen a steady increase in both scope and range of brass parts for the water-cooled twins, and MOTONE have produced this range for the air-cooled twins due to demand from owners of the older bikes, who understandably want some brass pits for their bikes too. As you would expect, some other parts manufacturers are now starting to bring brass parts online, basically in a response to MOTONE's efforts. Proof to my mind that MOTONE Customs are one of the most innovative and forward-thinking custom parts manufacturers. A lot of the more famous and influential builders are now buying a lot of their parts from MOTONE Customs themselves, a testament I think to MOTONE's quality and design expertise. Now, one thing that MOTONE have identified with these side panel fasteners is that some of the air-cooled twins are getting quite old now, and as a result the first couple of millimeters of thread in the frame that actually accepts these fasteners over time does succumb to wear. So they've now extended the length of the thread on these fasteners to ensure that even owners of the older bikes can still fit them without having to recut or helicoil the threads in the frame. And let's face it, a bit of extra length is always welcome. An added bit of insurance to make sure these things don't manage to shake themselves completely loose and get lost on a ride. MOTONE Customs' continued interest in making parts for the older air-cooled twins I think is a clear indication that these bikes are not going to die and disappear anytime soon. They are still amazingly popular, and I think as it stands at the moment, MOTONE don't seem to have any plans to halt development of parts for these bikes in the near future. MOTONE Customs are already quite famous for their CNC machine from aircraft grade aluminium gear pegs, as well as the brass ones. I've always been a firm believer in not fixing what ain't broke, and a few months ago MOTONE came up with a suggestion, apparently due to inquiries and requests from customers, to make a longer version of these pegs. Now, I've got to admit, this suggestion made me wince because I quite simply couldn't see the point of it. Gear change pegs have always been sort of 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches long, perfectly adequate for the job, and the main concern that I had about the concept of a longer version was that you were going to catch it on your boots, it was going to be awkward. I just couldn't see the advantage of it. Now, Sam last week announced to me that it did now have a batch of these made and asked if I would like an example to look at. I said yes, but my inner monologue inside was screaming no at me, and before I knew where I was, it was too late. It had arrived on my doorstep. It's about a third longer than the original conventional standard peg. Apparently created by MOTONE because customers had complained that they were having difficulties on certain Bonneville models locating the gear change peg, resulting in false neutrals and missed gears. Now, we're all different anatomically, and I thought it's all very well me deciding that this is a no-go, but for some people it might be useful. So I gave it a try, and actually I'm rather glad that I did. Now, none of us are getting any younger, and thinking about it, there are all sorts of things that come into play that can make gear changing difficult. Stiff joints, thick heavy boots, and challenging riding positions like that of the bobber can conspire to make things difficult. And so, once again, for men of a certain age, or for men of any age for that matter, a little extra length can come in very handy. For the moment, MOTONE have only created the anodised black version of their famous ribbed pegs, with a contrast cut at the end, all CNC machined from 6061 T-grade aircraft aluminium. They come complete with an extended stainless steel bolt and look exactly the same as the originals except the longer. Fitting's very simple and straightforward. It takes about 2 minutes, and I would advise that you use a little bit of medium strength Loctite on the thread when fitting your new one. Now, apart from overcoming certain difficulty that some riders have, I know the burning question in everyone's mind is, what is it actually like to use? Because my first thought was it's going to be awkward, you're going to be catching your boot on this all the time. But actually, you don't. I know that MOTONE said that they had worked the length out very carefully, and it shows. I didn't find there was any real difference when alternating from up and downward changes. My boot seemed to clear the peg with ease every time. But what did strike me, and I was surprised by this, is just how secure the gear change feels. It's not something you normally think about, but these extended pegs really do make a difference. The extra contact area giving a much more positive feel to your gear changes. Kudos to MOTONE for listening to customer feedback, because I was really surprised by it, and they're well worth considering if you're experiencing any difficulties. After all, extra long and ribbed for his or her riding pleasure. What's not to like? I will leave a link for both the extended gear peg and the brass side panel fasteners in the video description down below for those that would like to have a look. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back on Friday, so until then, ride safely and I'll see you soon.